The dragon effect is one of the most popular image editing effects. Created by Polish photographer Andrzej Dragan, this effect uses dramatic lighting and editing techniques. Download the free actions now along with a quick tutorial. In Photoshop, open the window menu and select Actions. Upload the file you just downloaded. You will see two dragon effect methods. Let's try the first method. You can adjust color or dodge and burn to make it more realistic. Method number 2. If you click it, you will see that I convert the top layer to a smart object so you can adjust it to whatever looks best for your photo. For this method, I added a Gaussian blur to get a soft and dreamy look. You can download it now for free.